Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to permanently delete your Telegram account using an iPhone. Let's get started. Before we start, there is one important thing to know. You cannot delete your Telegram account from the Telegram app on iPhone. You must use a web browser like Safari or Chrome. Unlock your iPhone and open the Safari app or web browser. In the address bar, type my.telegram.org, then tap Go. This is the official website of Telegram. You will see a page asking for your phone number. Enter your number with the country code. Telegram will send a login code inside your Telegram app, not by SMS. Open the Telegram app, copy the code, go back to the browser and paste the code and log in. To log in, you will see a menu. Tap on delete account. You may see a box asking why you are leaving. This step is optional, you can skip it. Now tap delete my account. Telegram will ask you to confirm. Tap yes, delete my account, and your Telegram account is now permanently deleted. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.